Hello my friends, welcome back. It's good to see you guys again. Good to see you all again. So here I am today. I'm in 2017 Ford F250 turbo diesel with a 6.7 liter turbo diesel power stroke and a 6-speed transmission automatic. This one comes with a 4x4 system, so it's a 4x4 trucks, and this 6.7 liter turbo diesel making engine pushing 440 horsepower and 925 foot-power of torque. So this is the previous generation compared to the one that I had the other day. It was a 2019. So this one make a little less horsepower, a little less torque, but still, you know, it's not that much different. The power is very strong, very linear. Wow, that's like I'm going up to speed too easy without knowing, because 920 foot-power of torque on this truck, it's amazing. It's a lot. Maybe it's not a lot to some people, but it's still a lot of power, a lot of torque to hauling stuff. Like, so much easy to lose traction on this truck. You punch the throttle and the wheel keeps spinning. It's just amazing. That's why I like turbo diesel. It's like that torque, you know, low end torque at low RPM, and it's like get pretty much max torque as 1500, 2000 RPM. It's a lot of fun. And it can be faster if there's people that modify these diesel and they go crazy fast. They'll beat a lot of like gasoline cousin, yeah. Alright, 2017 Ford F250 power stroke turbo diesel 6.7, 440 horsepower, 925 foot-power of torque, 6-speed automatic and 4x4 system. Very unique truck. Come with the touchscreen over here for your audios, phone connection and other settings. Audio control down here and AC control. Very, very nice truck. And we have like auxiliary switch over here. I like it. It's like helicopter or airplane control switch. Man, that's very unique. And the seat is very comfortable for what it is. I got the power seat over here, power adjustment, just make it easier to get into the right position, you know, the position, driving position. And we got the huge sun visor here to block in the sun. Steering wheel, beefy, strong, good ripping. I like it. Let's go check out this beautiful truck from the exterior. It's a little windy today, but it's okay. Look at that. Look at that beautiful truck in white color. This looks gorgeous. It's got an 8-feet bed. Got 4 Super Duty. Check out the bed. Like so much space back here, so you can haul a lot of stuff. And this one comes with a 5th wheel tow hitch kit in the back also. Regular tow hitch. Looks amazing though. I like it. This is an FX4 package, FX4 off-road package. Check out the interior. Look at that. Got the running board right here. Let's get up easier. Wow. Look at that. So much space in here. Look at how much space I have. Got 3 seats in the back here. The seat pad is comfy for what it is, you know. It's soft enough. And down here we got a power outlet, a 12-volt power outlet. And the headliner is it's like a dome-in, so it's like for taller people that go with you. Looks amazing though. It's got a center console right there, and that you can pull up and it's become a 3rd seat in the front there also. It's got a beefy hand wrap handle right here to get in and out. Look at that, so much space. And we got 6.7 power stroke turbo diesel XLT 250. It looks gorgeous though. You got a driver power seat. It's cloth interior. It's comfy. Let's check out under the hood. You see that 6.7 turbo diesel power. You got Super Duty here. Power by 4. Look at that. Looking good, huh? It's beautiful. Alright, welcome back to the driver's seat. Let's go in 4 high. Let's test it out. Working. Back to neutral. 4 low. Traction's off. Yep, they're all working. Looking good. Neutral. Go back to 2 high so that we can get back on the street. Look Good. Let's go. You hear that? Wheel spin. No traction. Too much torque in here. Man, I can't resist that. The more I drive these turbo diesel truck, the more I fall in love with it. It's like wheel spin, wheel spin, wheel spin. It was fun, it was cool, very nice truck. I love it. Very, very good, very comfortable riding, excellent quality. Because Ford, you know, built tough. Come to Ford, call it built tough. And it's a Super Duty too, so it's gotta be very tough. It'll last you a good amount of time because turbo diesel engine is like a bulletproof. It'll last. And with the power, high power and high torque, it's so much fun to drive in these. So consider this. Drive comfortable, lot of powers for hauling stuff, lot of space for taking friends and family, the seater comfort, and what else can we think of, you know? I like it. So, yep. So what do you think, guy? Please leave in the comments like turbo diesel for the win. For the world, you know. I love it. So thank you for coming with me. Thank you for your support, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time.